Today I'm sharing one of the most loved chocolate cake I used to make at my pastry shop. Fuwa-Fuwa chocolate sponge and whipping cream filled with chocolate chip and crunchy walnut and orange peel. And finish with a glossy chocolate glaze, and that is the pure happiness. And it's perfect for White Day here in Japan. Let's get started. First, prepare your cake mold. Grease the inside lightly and line it with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 320 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius. Now, crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Add the sugar and start whisking on high speed. Whisk for about 5 minutes until the mixture becomes very thick and double in volume. Then reduce the speed to low and whisk for another 30 seconds to smooth out the bubbles. You'll know it's ready when you lift the whisk and the butter falls in a ribbon that stays visible for a few seconds. This is called ribbon stage. It's the secret to Fuwa-Fuwa sponge. Next, sift together the cake flour and cocoa powder. Sift them one more directly to the egg mixture. Now, gently fold the flour into the butter, scooping from the bottom to the top. Try not to deflate the air you just created. When there are no dry pockets left, take a small scoop of butter and mix it with vegetable oil and milk. Then gently fold the mixture back into the butter. This step keeps the sponge light and fluffy and moist. Transfer the butter into the prepared mold. And tap the pan lightly onto the counter to remove air bubbles. Pop in the oven for about 30 minutes. If the top browns too quickly, cover it loosely with aluminum foil. When the cake is done, remove it from the oven and turn it upside down onto a wire rack. Cool it completely. While the cake is cooling, let's make a simple syrup. Combine sugar and water in a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil and cook for 1 minute until the sugar dissolves. When it cools, combine 2 tablespoons of simple syrup and 1 tablespoon of white rum or a liqueur of your choice. The syrup keeps the cake moist and aromatic. Now let's prepare the whipped cream. Add sugar to the heavy cream and whip until soft peaks form. Add vanilla extract if you like. By the way, this is my homemade vanilla extract. Simply steep vanilla pot that vanilla beans is used for about a month, and the flavor becomes incredible. Chop the semi-sweet chocolate into small pieces. Chop the walnut as well. And finally mince the orange peel. Now fold the chocolate, walnut, orange peel into the whipped cream. This filling has a wonderful combination of soft, crunchy, and slightly chewy texture. Now let's assemble the cake. Remove the parchment paper and place the sponge on the turntable. Trim the bottom slightly if it feels firm. Now we are going to divide the cake into 3 even layers. Take a long slatted knife and gently rotate the turntable while making a light guide cut around the side of the cake. Half an inch up from the bottom. This line will help you keep the layers even. Once the guideline is made, slowly insert the knife and continue cutting horizontally. Repeat the same process 2 more times. And just like that, you have 3 beautiful even sponge layers, perfect for professional looking cake. Brush the first layer generously with the rum syrup. Spread the half of the whipped cream filling evenly. Place the second layer on top, brush with syrup again, and spread the remaining cream. Finally, place the last layer and brush it with syrup. Cover the top and sides with thin layer of cream. Then refrigerate the cake while we are preparing the chocolate glaze. Now for the glossy chocolate glaze. Place the chopped chocolate in a bowl and melt in a hot bath. Heat the heavy cream and milk until just boiling and pour about half of the hot cream over the chocolate and whisk gently in one direction. Then add the rest of the cream and continue whisking until smooth. And finally, add a little simple syrup. Now the glaze becomes beautifully glossy and silky. Let it cool to room temperature so it flows smoothly but isn't too hot. Place the chilled cake on a wire rack over a tray, lined with a plastic wrap. This plastic wrap will help to correct the excess glaze, and you can keep it for another use. Slowly pour the glaze over the cake and letting it flow naturally over the sides. If any spots are uncovered, gently spread with the glaze with a knife. If you see any air bubbles, pop them with a toothpick. Now your cake looks like it comes from a professional pastry shop. Transfer to a serving plate and refrigerate for at least a couple of hours or overnight. This resting time allows all the flavors come together. Finally, garnish with fresh strawberries, which are in season here in Japan. Slice the cake with a warm knife for a clean cut. Look at that soft texture. The sponge is light and fuwa-fuwa, and the syrup adds the gentle aroma, and the filling gives the wonderful texture from the walnut and chocolate. The orange peel adds a refreshing fragrance and balances the rich chocolate. It is so delicious and irresistible. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!